Hello, today I'll show you how to set up our new xConnector integration, available for paid Releasit users. Here's how it works. To get started, go to your Releasit app dashboard and click on the Form Design section. From there, open Shipping Rates and click Add Rate. The rate name must be xConnector, otherwise the access token field will not appear. Then paste your xConnector access token. You can find your access token directly in the xConnector app. In your profile dashboard, click on Tools to access your token. Once the token is added, you can continue customizing your new shipping rate based on your needs. When you're ready, save the rate, and your xConnector locker delivery option will be active at checkout. With this feature, you can offer locker delivery at checkout, allow customers to choose their preferred locker from an interactive map, and automatically sync all delivery data directly to Shopify orders. If you have any questions or need help, you can contact our support team anytime. We'll be happy to help.